Magnetic effects of electric current. Class 10 Science NCERT, Chapter 12 Exercise Solutions. Disclaimer. These solutions are provided to help students understand and solve NCERT textbook exercises efficiently. The explanations, diagrams, and equations included are meant to enhance conceptual clarity and problem-solving skills. Students are encouraged to attempt the exercises independently before referring to the solutions.
Exercise solutions. Question 1. Which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? A. The field consists of straight lines perpendicular to the wire. B. The field consists of straight lines parallel to the wire. C. The field consists of radial lines originating from the wire. D. The field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. Answer. D. The field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. Explanation. When a current flows through a straight conductor, the magnetic field lines form concentric circles around the wire. The direction of these field lines can be determined using the right-hand thumb rule. If you point the thumb of your right hand in the direction of the current, the curled fingers show the direction of the magnetic field. Question 2. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit A. Reduces substantially. B. Does not change. C. Increases heavily. D. Varies continuously. Answer. C. Increases heavily. Explanation. A short circuit occurs when the resistance in a circuit becomes very low, allowing a large amount of current to flow uncontrollably. This can cause overheating and damage the circuit components. Equation. Ohm's law. V equals I into R. Since R, resistance, decreases significantly, the current, I, increases dramatically. Question 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. A. The field at the center of a long circular coil carrying current will be parallel straight lines. B. A wire with a green insulation is usually the live wire of an electric supply. Answer. A. True. B. False. The green wire is the earth wire, not the live wire. Explanation. A magnetic field at the center of a circular coil is nearly uniform and consists of parallel field lines. B. In household wiring, the live wire is usually red, the neutral wire is black, and the earth wire is green for safety. Question 4. List 2 methods of producing magnetic fields. Answer. 1. Using a permanent magnet, example, bar magnet or horseshoe magnet. 2. Using a current-carrying conductor, example, solenoid or a straight wire carrying current. Explanation. A magnet produces a magnetic field naturally. A current-carrying wire creates a magnetic field around it, as demonstrated by Ørsted's experiment. Question 5. When is the force experienced by a current-carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field largest? Answer. The force is largest when the current-carrying conductor is placed perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Explanation. This force is given by the equation F equals BIL sin theta, where B equals magnetic field strength, I equals current in the conductor, L equals length of the conductor, theta equals angle between the current and magnetic field. For maximum force, theta equals 90 degrees, so sin 90 degrees equals 1, making the force maximum. Question 6. Imagine that you are sitting in a chamber with your back to one wall. An electron beam, moving horizontally from back wall towards the front wall, is deflected by a strong magnetic field to your right side. What is the direction of the magnetic field? Answer. The magnetic field is directed downward, towards the flow. Explanation. To determine the direction of the magnetic field, we use Fleming's left-hand rule, which states: first finger direction of the magnetic field, B. Second finger direction of current, opposite. To electron motion, thumb direction of force, deflection of the electron beam. Since electrons move from the back wall to the front wall, the conventional current moves in the opposite direction, front to back. The beam is deflected to the right, meaning the thumb points to the right, force direction. Applying the rule, the first finger, magnetic field direction, points downward. Question 7. State the rule to determine the direction of I. Magnetic field produced around a straight conductor carrying current. E. Force experienced by a current-carrying straight conductor placed in a magnetic field which is perpendicular to it. E. Current induced in a coil due to its rotation in a magnetic field. Answer. I. Right-hand thumb rule determines the direction of the magnetic field around a current-carrying conductor. E. Fleming's left-hand rule determines the direction of force on a conductor in a magnetic field. E. Fleming's right-hand rule determines the direction of induced current in a moving conductor. Explanation. 1. Right-hand thumb rule. If you hold a current-carrying conductor in your right hand with your thumb pointing in the direction of the current, your curled fingers show the direction of the magnetic field. 2. Fleming's left-hand rule. If you stretch the thumb, forefinger, and middle finger of your left hand perpendicular to each other, I. First finger direction of magnetic field. E. Second finger direction of current. E. Thumb direction of force. 3. Fleming's right hand rule. A. If you stretch the thumb, forefinger, and middle finger of your right hand perpendicular to each other. I. First finger direction of magnetic field. E. Thumb direction of motion. E. Middle finger direction of induced current. Summary. Concept rule purpose. Magnetic field around a current carrying conductor. Right hand thumb rule determines the direction of the magnetic field. Force on a conductor placed in a magnetic field. Fleming's left hand rule determines the direction of force on the conductor. Direction of induced current. Fleming's right hand rule determines the direction of induced current due to rotation. Question 8. When does an electric short circuit occur? Answer. An electric short circuit occurs when the live wire comes in direct contact with the neutral wire, creating a low resistance path for a sudden surge of current. Explanation. A short circuit can happen due to 1. Damaged insulation. Worn out wires can cause unintended contact. 2. Faulty appliances. Internal defects may lead to direct connections. 3. Overheating of wires. Weak wiring can melt insulation, causing short circuits. Equation. Ohm's law. I equals V by R. If R, resistance, becomes very low, I, current, increases drastically, leading to excessive heat and possible fire hazards. Question 9. What is the function of an earth wire? Why is it necessary to earth metallic appliances? Answer. 1. Function of earth wire. The earth wire provides a low resistance path for leakage current to safely flow into the ground. 2. Necessity of earthing metallic appliances. If an electrical fault causes live wire contact with the metallic body of an appliance, the leakage current flows through the earth wire instead of the human body, preventing electric shocks. Summary of key rules and concepts. Concept rule used purpose. Magnetic field around a conductor. Right hand thumb rule determines field direction. Force on current carrying conductor. Fleming's left hand rule finds force direction. Induced current in a coil. Fleming's right hand rule determines current direction. Electric short circuit. Ohm's law explains sudden current increase. Earthing safety measure prevents electric shocks.
Thank you. You have successfully completed watching NCERT Class 10 Science, Chapter 12. We hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share to help your friends too. Subscribe to our channel Study Gen Easy for more NCERT solutions and exam preparation videos. Comment below and let us know which topic you find the most difficult. We will bring an even easier explanation for you. Connect with us. Instagram at StudyGeniusIQ. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning.